let's make some eyeshadow. This is the third and final project for the DIY makeup kit. I have posted the blush and the moisturizing balm already. So I've already mixed up my colors. I have mixed up sand, which I added a lot more brown than it called for. Forest, which is like a greenish brown, and then deep water, which is like, it's got brown and blue in it. So let's go ahead and start. I'm gonna make a pressed powder base, and I have my little tins here. So I'm gonna start, let me start down here first. I'm adding in 1/16 of a teaspoon, and it is definitely not going to be enough for this. And of course I'm using it to stir. So wait a minute. Ooh, I can see the blue. It's very pretty. All right. And of course I have it on my fingers. So let me go ahead and mix this up, and then I'll get back to you and show you what I came out with. Okay, I have gotten it done. Whoops, there it is. I swatched it, so it's like kind of like this gray blue. I'm gonna fix the rest of them, and then I'll come back and show you the finished product. Alrighty, I finished. I actually made 4. I made a pink sparkle on in addition to the other ones that I said I was gonna make. This is, this is the swatch. I'll post a picture of it. It would take about 1/8 to a little bit more of the almond oil to make it a good pressed powder. Let's see. It's kind of creamy rather than pressed because of the oil. Maybe that'll change after the oil soaks through everything more. What it looks like in powder is much lighter than what it turns out to be when you finish with this. So I probably would have done the brown differently. So if you find that it's too late once you add the oil, then add some more of the powders. You have tons of mica powders, tons of iron oxides that come in this kit, and plenty of mineral makeup base. I could have made at least twice as much of all the products that I made for this kit. So again, this is the DIY makeup kit from the Earth, and you can get a link and a 10% coupon in my description below. If you have any questions, leave them below. This is really simple. I would suggest to you that you invest in some really good teeny measuring spoons because you're going to need them. And you know, using something like beakers or small shot glasses to mix is really helpful. Also, I have these little spatulas that really help to mix well. Let's see. If you have a mortar and pestle, that will actually mix it even better. I just don't have one that I'm using for makeup. I use it for my food. But yeah, anyway, it was a fun kit to make. And it would be especially fun for a girl's party. That's it. I hope you enjoyed this series, and let me know if you have any questions below. Take care.